7-3, part 1, simplifying rational expressions. So this is just multiplication and division with factoring. Yay. Page 376. I'm going to do numbers 1 and 4, and then I'll have you guys do numbers 2 and 3. So really the main idea is that we need to factor and simplify. But we also have to think about what we can't have for our x. In other words, what can't we have in the denominator? So when we do this, when you write the problem, I need you to write a little empty box on the side. Okay? Alright, the nice thing is this is factored for us. Wow. So any fractions we have that are factored for us, if we have the same thing on the top and the bottom, we can just cross it out. So our answer is just going to be 2 over the quantity of x plus 3, and we don't need parentheses anymore. Look about right? Anything on top and bottom we can simplify. Now, this box though, in the question, we canceled out an x plus 1. So look at this. What number can't the denominator be here? Negative 3. Good. But the thing is, in the work, every step matters. So in the question, what couldn't the denominator be here? Negative 1. So we need to save that for later. So in your box, you write x can't be negative 1. Now we know, looking at this, we should know x also can't be negative 3. Okay? Like that should be pretty clear, and we'll practice it. But we also need to keep this in mind as well. So here's our answer. Scrolling down to number 4. All right. The fun stuff. Oh, I don't need parentheses, I'm sorry. X squared minus 2x minus 3 all over x squared minus x minus 6. So I'm going to close the door. Go ahead and factor that real quick. I'll catch up to you. That's going to be fun all day. Sorry about that. Okay. So, you need to think of two numbers that multiply to 3 and subtract to negative 2. I'll write them on top. I kind of like to do all my work in one thing. If you don't, you can write on the side. Two numbers that multiply to 3 and subtract to negative 2 are negative 3 and positive 1. Or 3 and 1, rather, and then we make 3 negative. Two numbers that multiply to 6 and subtract to negative 2.
2, negative 3.
Sorry, I had to subtract to negative 1. 2 and negative 3. Very good. All right, now I'm going to rewrite this into one fraction. And we just look. Is there anything on the top and the bottom that we can cancel out?
X minus 3.
Very good. The x minus 3s. So our answer is going to end up as x plus 1 over x plus 2, and then in the box, x cannot equal. Now here we know. We're looking at x plus 2. We know x can't equal negative 2. But what did we cancel out from all this work?
3.
The 3, exactly. So x cannot equal, double line with a slash through it, 3. And here's our answer. Okay? So go ahead and do number 2 and 3 real quick, and then we'll move on.